Here's to the New Year's. We're gonna have a great night tonight, just quiet night, but Happy New Year's, guys. Thank you for this year.
Cheers.
Hey Ryan, is it cool if I invite a couple people over?
Hell no!
Come on man, I'll keep it small.
Fine. Just let's keep it a little small, okay? Not too many people.
Oh yeah, party. I'll be there. That's fine.
Party at Ryan's.
Oh, we gotta go.
Got a house call. Oh man, party at Ryan's.
You look like this.
Oh,
Bam.
I got it.
Is that the door?
Is that the door?
Right here.
What the hell?
Did I hear a doorbell?
What the hell?
What's up, man? Heard there was a party. How's it going?
What's up, man? How's it going?
What the hell's he doing here?
Hey.
Hey. Whoa.
You get me a beer nut.
One more label try to stop me. It's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in your lobby. You don't want no problem with no problem with me. You don't want no problem with no problem with me.
Tattoo that shit! Yeah! Woo! Come on, Timmy! Tattoo that shit! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! You're doing that!
Hey, motherfucker, the music ain't loud enough.
You're right!
Right.
Man, you go tell them about it! Tell them about it! What are you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it, Timmy? I don't think you're gonna do it! Everybody party out there!
What?
Turn the fucking music up. Now that's fucking better.
Who's here? I can't even believe I can hear this. What the hell? Okay, that's the cops. Uh-oh. Can I help you?
I had a disturbance call.
I don't think anybody called, man.
You call this a party? Now it's a party.
Good cops. Good cops. Shit.
Maybe. I gotta wait tomorrow.
Wait, I ain't going back.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck 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 it up.
You're out there.
I got him!
I'm thirsty. Call me back to you. It's 30 seconds.
Man, these people are screwed up, man. He's got a finger in his butt. They get some of that I got pizza in here still. I'm done with this now.
Where the? I don't know where the went. He's gotta be around here somewhere. I've been out here for hours searching. Oh man. Oh. It's getting spooky out here. Oh shit. What the hell is that? Oh shit. Oh shit. Deer!